Good morning, friends, family, subscribers. Good morning, wherever you're watching me. It's your favorite guys again. So today I'm going to be talking about something interesting. I think, we are on a way to a momentum shift. What do I mean by that? With the news coming in, fast and furious, with the situation at hand at the moment, I think, we can actually safely say the bottom is in at this level, because looking at the situation in the market now, Trump is saying he's actually at this point negotiating with over 100 countries, and the deal is coming in fast and furious. But the most important ones are the major countries, G7 countries, and the likes of China as well. We can't underestimate the power of China at this level. And with the things now, even the funny part is we saw, if you watch the funeral of Pope Francis, we saw Trump and Zelensky actually sitting at the basilica, at the center of the basilica, talking about this. Macron wanted to join the party, but he was told that no, it's only Trump and Zelensky. That's very iconic. That video, that picture is very iconic, if you know what I mean. I'm not going political. I'm just saying these are the things that we see that will tell us that something is coming, something big is coming, a momentum shift is coming. So Trump was asked before he went on Air Force One to this funeral about the market situation, not the market situation, the economy and the tariff of the thing. And he said the country US is actually negotiating with up to 200 countries at the moment. So countries are coming forward to negotiate. The major thing why Trump actually want this done is because, he believes US has been ripped off for so many years, and he wants deals to be negotiated individually, not like an enclosed or over a universal deal. For US, one deal to be made by country. So, and he's getting what he wants. He's getting what he wants because he needs to get what he wants, and he needs to get it fast and furious. I will start word again, because if you look at things, right, the situation between US and China wasn't heading anywhere as of last week, when tariff is going to over 145%. That's uncalled for. That's unheard of, right? So now that things are getting calm and cooler, Xi Jinping is ready to talk, Trump is ready to negotiate. I think at this level, I might say talks may be going on the ground that we don't know about, and which is going to be announced very soon. And the deals need to be made because Trump has a midterm to win. Xi Jinping don't have a midterm. Xi Jinping is a life president. All right, so that's why Trump needs this to be done and dusted as soon as possible. He want the market to turn around. He want the economy to turn around, because he knows if it goes south, second time is not sure for him, for his party, and he want his party to win the second time, the midterm. Sorry, not second time, the midterm I'm talking about. Midterm is just around the corner. He needs to make this deal as soon as possible, and that's what he's working towards. So at this point, he's saying that the deals is coming in, likes of Asia, Japan is coming in, China is coming in, European countries are negotiating as well as we talk, and this thing tells me that market is going to turn around by next month. May, we see cryptocurrency going up. We see Bitcoin from 77 or 70, it went to 76,000. Can you imagine? Bitcoin that was 105, 110 as of December, January, went to 77, and people are still running away from investing in Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin is back to $94,000 as I'm recording this video. So I believe at this level, right, I can safely say market is on a momentum run. No, maybe not yet, but I think May is going to be a green month, and all the companies actually releasing earnings. You can see Google, the likes of Google, even Tesla missed, but because of Elon said he's going to concentrate more on Tesla now, unlike Doge that is distracting him. So that make Tesla to actually goes up. And investors are happy with what he said, that he needs to, detach himself from politics and concentrate on his business. So, which is great. And he's talking about, robot taxi by June. That's what. So, if you're wondering, Tesla missed earning, but why is he not going down? Why is Tesla not going down? It's not going down because of the statement Elon made on the call and all that. So that's why, and we see, the momentum shift in the stock market. So I believe May, fingers crossed, it's gonna be a green month. But I'm not saying you should go and YOLO your money. I'm not an investor. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I say doesn't mean you should go and buy, sell, or hold any equity. Please seek a financial advisor. So at this level, I don't want to waste your time. I'm saying I can safely say the bottom is probably in. And those who actually, took the opportunity a couple of weeks ago, invest in, the likes of Nvidia, Tesla, and all those companies, Apple, Google and quality companies like that, they bought very cheap. Amazon as well, imagine Nvidia went to $93, company that was at 147, 150 is that a couple of months ago, went to 97, 93, 94, $92, and people are still running away from investing. Anyway, when the blood is in the market, the wise investor run in there and take the advantage, while the newbies and who are not ready to invest, they run away when market is red, and that is the best time to invest in the market. So I took the opportunity. I bought a couple of companies when the market was red. You invest when the market is down and you sell when the market is up. So that's how to invest, buy low, sell high. That's it. That's how to win in the market. So guys, I am saying that at this level, with what's coming from the overall fees, I believe May is going to be a good month. And I think, by May, I see Bitcoin towards 100,000 again, and maybe a bit over 100,000 by May. And by end of 2025, I see Bitcoin at 200,000. That's my take. That's my price target. That's my point. That's my price point. That's my price target for BTC. And all other altcoins, XRP at $4 by the end of the year, and Solana at, let's just say Solana maybe 300 by end of the year, Ethereum back to 3,000 by end of the year. That's my personal projection. Okay, that doesn't mean it's going to happen, but that's my own personal view and my personal projection about these assets. So that's what I'm saying, that if you've invested a couple of weeks ago, then you are on a very good move. But if you're not, well, you can dollar cost average there and there and see what happens. But I would say don't panic at this level. Don't sell your stock at this level. I think there's a big turnaround around the corner. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you some other time. I don't want to waste your time. Please wisely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you and bye for now.